Simple Whiteboard is an easy-to-use whiteboard app which requires no signing up or logging in. The app allows you the use of 4 colours, a rubber and 3 thicknesses of pen, which can all be found along the bottom of the screen. In the bottom right-hand corner there is a box with a cross in it, which will clear your entire whiteboard. Next to that is a box with lines in. This gives you the ability to change the background of the whiteboard with 3 basic options: blank, lines or a grid. The final icon is a box with an arrow out of it. This allows you to share, print or download the work as an image. Microsoft Whiteboard is an app which contains many great features for demonstration and collaboration within the classroom and beyond. You do, however, need to log in using a Microsoft account. Simply enter your school or personal email address and password and you are ready to go. After clicking Create New Whiteboard, you are taken to a blank whiteboard. Along the bottom of the screen you will find many features. You have 4 main pen colours, 2 sparkly pen colours, a highlighter, rubber, ruler and cut tool. You can also find the undo and redo button here. However, this is not all. By clicking on any of the pens or the highlighter twice, a pop-up box appears which allows you to change the pen colour and thickness. The cutout tool, which looks like a lasso, allows you the ability to cut around anything you have written or drawn. You can then move the selection, alter its colour, or delete it entirely. By clicking on the plus sign, which can be found on the bottom, you are able to add text, images or photos to your whiteboard. By clicking on the image or text twice, you are able to resize and rotate it by dragging the circle which can be found in the bottom right corner. A toolbar also appears which allows you to change the colour, crop or delete the image. It also gives you the ability to lock the image in place, making it immovable. By clicking on the circle with 3 lines, which can be found in the top right corner, you can bring up the Settings tab. From this, you are able to clear your whiteboard entirely. You can also change the background style and colour. At first, the squares or lines may appear a little small, but by using 2 fingers you are able to zoom in and zoom out. Through the Settings tab, you are also able to export your work. It exports it as an image, which can then be shared via AirDrop, email, can be saved to the device, or it can be printed. Because you log into this app, any work will be saved, unless you clear it or delete it. It is also worth noting that if you share the iPad with others, or you do not want anybody else to access your work, then don't forget to log out after working on it.